$1,545 in trading profit in the last month alone. Almost $10,000 in trading profit since I joined Eazybot last year. Those $10,000 are without price appreciation from Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is trading profit alone. Checking in my Binance account, we can see over $36,000 now in my Binance account trading with Eazybot. The last 6 months, we can see we jumped from 23,000 now all the way up to 36,000. So over $13,000 in profits. This is coming from the trading profits from Eazybot and the price appreciation from Ethereum and Bitcoin, because Eazybot also offers Bitcoin and Ethereum trading pairs, so where you trade Bitcoin against Ethereum. I have more than one bot, so multiple bots attached to this as well, and they obviously appreciate from the Bitcoin price surge in the last couple of months. Now in this video, we want to talk about my past profits with Eazybot, how much we may earn in the future, and also the cost and fees attached to Eazybot. Stay tuned. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is any kind of financial advice. Please do your own research before you jump into any kind of investment. We are in the crypto space. Crypto is very volatile. That's the reason why there's a lot of upside potential, but obviously also a lot of risks involved. Here we have a chart of the historical profits per month from my personal Eazybot account. I joined Eazybot on 26th June 2022, so almost 1.5 years ago. In the graphic, you can see I had a blast in the first couple of months. I started with 5.46%, 3.65%, so on and so forth, all the way up to November with 6%. Those 6% came during the FTX crash, ladies and gentlemen. This was absolutely amazing. And again, had a very good start to 2023, as crypto had overall as well. And this continued very strong till the end of the year. My total profit, cumulated profit, is 73.3%. This is the profit when you just add all profits from all 18 months. Now, if you used compound interest, this profit would have been 104.41%. So you would have doubled your money. This is absolutely crazy. Again, the profit per month, cumulative profit per month, would be 4.07%, and taking into account the compound interest, this would be 5.8% per month. Those are absolutely amazing results, but keep in mind, not everybody has this kind of results. My 4.07% per month is really high compared to others, so I'm not expecting the same kind of results every single month or every single year. Let's check out some hypothetical calculations. First off, let's use my own historical profit of 48.84% per year. Here we have a calculation based on a 10-year plan. Now this calculation is without any costs, so trading profits only. And we can see how compound interest year on year makes this extremely valuable. We start with only 10,000 euros in our budget, and already after the 6th year, we cross the 6 figures, so over 100,000 euros mark. And after 10 years, we would have over 500,000 euros in our account. Now again, keep in mind, this is a hypothetical calculation without any fees and with very, very high returns of over 4% per month. Next up, let's check out a calculation based on 30% profits per year. This is closer to the Eazybot average. So the current Eazybot average is about 32% per year. Now, we only have Eazybot since April 2022. So there are not many years on live accounts or many months on live accounts yet. And also, past results are unfortunately no indicator for future results. So all of this is hypothetical, but let's check it out. And we can see how big of a difference this makes. So we have 18% lower returns than 48. So we use 30% per year. And after 10 years, our 10,000 euro budget grows all the way up to 137,000 euros. Obviously not bad. If you want to know more about Eazybot, there will be a link down below in the description. And also feel free to join our community. Our Telegram group link will be down below as well. Maybe you say, okay, 10,000 to 137,000 in 10 years, that's still a little bit optimistic. 2.5% per month is still really, really high, and it is. Now in crypto, it's possible, but it is really high. Let's go lower to 2% per month or 23% per year. And there you go, still really, really good results. So we make 2,400 euros profit in the first year. After 5 years, we were already up to 5,600 in passive income. And that's it, guys, passive income. And after 10 years, we grow our 10,000 euros account to 85,000 euros. Now, as I said, all those calculations here are without any costs. So no subscriptions, no fees, no Binance fees, no nothing, based on trading profits alone. Obviously, in the real world, this will be a little bit different. So let's talk about costs and make some recalculations. So the Eazybot costs are defined in two different factors. We have factor 1, the subscriptions, and factor 2, the transaction fees. There are 4 different kinds of subscriptions. For the first 45 days after you join and sign up, you will have a free version with 2 bots. But after those 45 days, if you want to continue, you have to make a decision for one of those 4 packages. A starter package, advanced package, VIP, or VIP Plus. All those different packages come with different pricing. So starter package $100 and the VIP package $995 or the VIP Plus $1,495. For me, it's only $1,095 because there was a promotion back in the day which I joined. All the packages have different pros and cons. The cons, obviously, for the higher package is the higher price point, but there are bigger pros. You can trade all the way up to over 100 bots with the VIP Plus. You can connect more than 5 API connections, so you can use Kucoin, Kraken, Binance, Coinbase all at the same time, and you will have lower software service fee, so lower transaction costs per trade, because Eazybot takes a little cut on every selling trade. So every time you make a profit, they take a little bit on fees. And let's check them out. The transaction fees, you have 2 different kinds of transaction fees. First, the Eazybot software service fee, which Eazybot, so the company itself, takes, and then also your exchange fees. All your funds are on your exchange, so Binance or Kucoin, for example. Every time you make a trade on that exchange, because Eazybot makes the trades for you on that account, Binance takes a little bit of a percentage on the trading volume. For example, Binance uses 0.075% on the trading volume if you use the BNB burn. Now, how do the Eazybot costs make an impact on our trading profit? Let's check it out. For our little calculation here, let's use the advanced package. For our example, Eazybot buys Bitcoin for $100 and sells Bitcoin for $102. So our trading profit would be 2 USDT. Now, the fees come in play. The software service fee is 0.3% on the selling volume using the advanced package, which would be $102 times 0.3%. So that's 30.6 cents. That's the software service fee that Eazybot takes away. In addition to that, your exchange fee come in play. So I'm using Binance. The Binance fees are 0.075%. Now those fees are based on all trades, so buys and sells, the whole trading volume. So $100 for the buy, $102 for the sell, makes $202 times 0.075%. So the Binance fees will be 15.15 cents. All added up, our total fees would be 45.75%, and our clear profit would be $1.54.25. Some of you are really interested in the fee profit ratio as well. So in this case, the fee profit ratio would be 22.87%. So every time you make a profit, the fees would be 22.87% of that. Now, this calculation is based on advanced package and based on a 2% profit on a trade. So buy for 100, sell for 102. That's a 2% profit on this particular trade. Let's use the same calculation with the VIP Plus package. So in this case, we would just deduct 0.2% software service fee. We would still have the same Binance fees, so we go down to 35.55 cents in total fees. Now our profit fee ratio would lower to 17.775%. I think that's a pretty good deal. With all that in mind, let's recalculate our 10-year plans. So first off, again, let's check my historical results with 48.84%. In this case, in the last calculation, we would have had over €500,000 in our account after 10 years. This time, with all the fees involved, it would lower to €229,000. Still an amazing result. How did the fees come together? We see first year we have €1,366.97 in fees. That's $250 for the advanced package, and the rest comes as software service fee. Checking it out with 30% per year, we would go down to €72,579 as our end goal after 10 years. And again, Eazybot is live since April 2022. The historical average from the Eazybot performance accounts currently is about 32% per year. So this is currently a realistic result you can expect if, and that's a big if, it continues as it was in the past. We don't know. Okay? Let's check out the last calculation with 24% or 2% per month again. And in this case, our €10,000 portfolio would grow to €48,620 in just 10 years. I think amazing results, and I absolutely love Eazybot. Now, if you made it this far in the video, guys, please leave a thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts on Eazybot, and if you want to join, again, click the link in the description. Text me on Telegram if you have any questions, and obviously, Happy New Year. Cheers, guys.